Would stadiums be the safest place to be in a zombie apocalypse? The Stadium Fortress, also known as the modern Colosseum. After the initial chaos, when thoughts turned from temporary shelter to long-term survival, the eyes of many survivors will fall upon the modern Colosseum, also known as a sports stadium. It offers a tantalizing promise of high walls, open spaces, and the potential to house a large community. But like the gladiatorial arenas of old, it is a structure designed for spectacle, not for siege, and it hides a multitude of deadly weaknesses behind its impressive facade. Here is a list of the core principles you need to consider. Number 1. Perimeter control. The high concrete walls are a formidable barrier against the dead. Number 2. Observation is power. The tiered seating provides an unparalleled 360-degree vantage point over the surrounding area. Number 3. Space for sustainability. The open field offers a massive sunlit area perfect for large-scale agriculture. Number 4. Resource potential. Stadiums contain vast kitchens, medical facilities, and maintenance workshops, a treasure trove for any group large enough to secure them. Let's cover some of the concerns, known as a threat analysis. Number 1. The acoustic nightmare. A stadium is a giant echo chamber. A single gunshot, a scream, a dropped metal tool. The sound will be amplified and broadcast for miles, attracting every walker in the vicinity. The noise will draw them to your walls and keep them there, creating a permanent siege. Number 2. The gates are the flaw. A stadium has dozens of entry points designed to handle tens of thousands of people. Player tunnels, delivery bays, and countless public gates are all massive structural weaknesses. Securing every single one is a monumental task. One forgotten service entrance can compromise the entire fortress. Number 3. The resource mirage. While a stadium has initial resources, it has no long-term supplies. The kitchens will be emptied. The medical bays will run out of medicine. Crucially, most modern stadiums have complex water and power systems that will fail without a dedicated, highly trained engineering crew. Number 4. The internal threat. Clearing a stadium is a nightmare. The labyrinth of corridors, locker rooms, luxury boxes, and maintenance tunnels could hide hundreds, if not thousands, of walkers. A single missed walker could start an outbreak that consumes your community from within. Let's discuss the tactical approach, which we will call the Stadium Protocol. Number 1. Massive manpower required. Do not attempt to take a stadium with a small group. This is a location that requires a community of at least 50 to 100 organized, well-armed individuals to clear, secure, and maintain. Number 2. The Purge. Clearing the stadium must be a slow, methodical, military-style operation. Block by block, level by level. Every door welded shut, every corridor secured. This could take weeks. Number 3. Gate fortification. Every single entry point must be permanently sealed. This means welding, concrete barricades, and shipping containers. One primary, heavily fortified gate must be established as the single entry and exit point. Number 4. Sustainable systems. Immediately begin converting the field into farmland. Designate sections for different crops and establish a composting system. Set up massive rainwater collection systems on the stadium's enormous roof. Number 5. Strict governance. A community of this size requires a formal council, a set of laws, and a dedicated security force to manage disputes, ration resources, and maintain the watchtowers. Let's consider the psychological factors, also known as the fishbowl effect. While the high walls provide security, the open nature of the field can create a fishbowl effect. There is little privacy. Factions and cliques can easily form in the different seating sections, leading to internal strife. The sheer scale of the empty seats can be a constant, haunting reminder of the world that was lost, leading to agoraphobia and despair. Let's dive into a case study, the echo of a mistake. A thriving community has secured a football stadium. They have farms on the field and a strong perimeter. One day, a child's ball bounces away and knocks a stack of metal pipes over in the maintenance yard. The crash echoes across the silent city. Within hours, the low moan of the dead begins. Days turn into weeks, and the moan never stops. A massive horde, thousands strong, is now permanently pressed against their walls. Drawn by the echo of a single mistake, they are safe, but they are prisoners, unable to leave, slowly starving in their perfect fortress. Now, for the conclusion, The high-risk, high-reward fortress, a stadium, is not a simple hideout. It is a nation-building project. For a small group, it is a death trap. But for a large, disciplined, and resourceful community, it offers the single best chance to not just survive, but to rebuild a piece of civilization within its high concrete walls. It is the ultimate gamble of the apocalypse. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Wasteland Wisdom, and stay safe out there, survivors.